My dear friends, in this video I am going to show you a easiest pocket option strategy that you can use to make profitable trades for lifelong. This strategy is so simple that anyone can understand and implement this strategy right after watching this video. And this is a strategy that I rarely use, but it have never failed me. So whenever I need quick buck and I need to make quick money, at that exact time I use this strategy so that I don't spend lots of time to analyze the market. So you can also learn this strategy from me right now in this video and start to use it whenever you want. If you are new to my channel, then please do like this video. And if you want some free binary signals to trade binary options in a profitable way, then do join my free Telegram channel. You can also copy my trades directly in my VIP copy trading channel. You can see the instruction in my free Telegram channel on how you can join my VIP copy trading channel. So now, without doing any delay, let's get started. I will definitely show you by making this exact trade in my real account. But firstly, let me explain you this strategy. Okay, no, we'll do something different this time. I will exactly show you by making this exact trade, then I will explain you the strategy. So now I'll keep quiet and watch this exact trade execution and how I made profit. Now I'll explain you how I was able to decide to make that trade. So it is extremely simple. See, so I made the trade whenever this green candle have started. But before, if you see, there was one red candle, right? And here you can see there was two green candle. So these two green candles are important. And then there is one red candle. Now what I did was I searched in lots of chart, okay, and I found that there was a pattern being repeated in this chart, that is AUDJPY. So that pattern was two green candle, one red candle, and then another green candle. So here you can see there is two green candle, one red candle, and then another green candle. Similarly, here also you can see two green candle, one red candle, and then green candle. Similarly, two green candle, one red candle, and another green candle. Similarly, two green candle, one red candle, and one green candle. So I was pretty confident that this pattern is going to be repeated at here. However, it was a little bit risky, but I took the risk and I was the one who enjoyed the profit too. So if you find this kind of pattern in some chart, then you can easily take risk and make trades to make profit in a stress-free way. Don't forget to like this video. Bye bye.